Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a beginner developer diving into the world of coding, choosing the right IDE can feel overwhelming. Today, we're tackling a classic debate: IntelliJ versus Eclipse. Which one is better for you in 2025? Let's break it down step by step to help you make an informed decision. First off, what's an IDE? It's basically your coding playground, integrated development environment. Both IntelliJ and Eclipse are popular choices, especially for languages like Java, but they cater to different needs. Starting with IntelliJ, developed by JetBrains, it's known for its sleek interface and smart features. In 2025, expect even better AI-assisted coding, like advanced code completion and refactoring tools that can save you tons of time. It's intuitive once you get the hang of it, but for absolute beginners, the learning curve might be a bit steep due to its feature-packed design. On the other hand, Eclipse has been around forever and remains a solid, free option. It's open source and highly customizable, making it great for experimenting with plugins. By 2025, Eclipse will likely continue to emphasize community-driven updates, which means excellent support for a wide range of languages beyond Java. However, its interface can feel outdated and cluttered compared to IntelliJ, which might frustrate newcomers who want something more user-friendly. When it comes to ease of use for beginners, IntelliJ often wins with its modern shortcuts and built-in tutorials. It's also more performant on larger projects, reducing lag time. But Eclipse shines in versatility. If you're working on embedded systems or specific frameworks, its extensibility is unmatched. Cost-wise, both have free versions. IntelliJ's Community Edition is robust, while Eclipse is completely free without limitations. So, which is better? For beginner developers in 2025, I'd lean towards IntelliJ if you're focusing on enterprise-level Java development, as it streamlines workflows and boosts productivity. If you're on a budget and prefer a no-frills setup, Eclipse might be your go-to. Ultimately, try both with their trial periods or free versions to see what clicks for you. Don't forget, the best IDE is the one you actually use. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.